Bills first. In the next minutes, you'll move from $500 gives $1,000 gives 1 month of essentials without apps or guilt. Clear targets, tiny automations, calm weekends. You'll install one simple flow. Bills, spend, save, and invest. We'll fund a daily cushion, then a fast emergency, then 1 full month of bills. Your investing habit stays alive the whole time. Define essentials once. What keeps you working and housed: housing, utilities, transportation, medications, insurance, minimum debt, basic food. If it can wait 30 days without damage, it's not essential. It's a want. Here's the map in one breath. Tier 1. Cushion and checking for daily life shocks. Tier 2. Fast emergency in a separate high-yield savings for real surprises. Tier 3. Deep buffer you rarely touch. Money flows the morning after payday. When life hits, use the right tier, refill it, and move on. Step 1. The $500 cushion. Location, checking. Goal, stop the near-zero heart attacks. Rule, never drop below your floor. If it dips, refill it first before anything else. Start with $25 per paycheck or 5% of take-home, whichever you can keep on a lean month. Rename the account to Cushion $500 so your eyes do half the discipline. Friction killers. Put a tiny weekly reload on your spend card. When it's over, it's over. Add a calendar note called Calm Buy for the week after payday. We reduce decisions to reduce mistakes. Step 2. $1,000 calm. Same account, same rule. Patch one leak to speed it up. Cancel a zombie subscription or requote insurance and send that exact dollar to the cushion every payday. Visible wins keep the habit alive. When you hit $1,000, you'll feel the noise drop. Step 3. 1 month of bills, Tier 2. Open a separate high-yield savings labeled Fast Emergency. Target 1 month of essentials. Automate a fixed transfer the morning after payday. When Tier 2 hits 1 month, you've entered calm territory. Bills for next month are already funded. You just show up and live. Keep investing alive. Run a tiny, calm, buy one broad index fund. Once per month, sized to survive your worst week. Identity over intensity. You're a person who invests on schedule. The amount can be small now and heavier later. Irregular income. Use percentages, not dollars. Lean 5%, normal 10%, feast 15% toward the buffer. The rule bends with your month. Your habit doesn't. If Saturday is your reset, only switch presets on Saturday. A calendar beats impulse. High interest debt. Never miss minimums. Build the $500 cushion, then split extra between Tier 2 and your highest cost debt until Tier 2 reaches 1 month. After that, push harder on the debt. Calm plus progress beats perfect math you can't keep. Shared money, use mine, yours, ours. The buffer lives in ours because emergencies are shared. Each person can still keep a tiny calm buy in their own account, but the 3 tiers protect the household. Review together on Saturdays, less drama, more progress. The Saturday check, about 45 seconds. 1 Are next month's bills covered? If yes, stop feeding bills until the cycle resets. 2 Did the calm buy execute? If it failed, reschedule for next Thursday. 3 Can you raise your transfer by $25 for the next 60 days? If last week's felt tight, skip once. Habit over heroics. Saturday, demo 3 quick taps. Open the bank. If bills for next month are full, freeze that category. Find the calm by receipt. If it's missing, turn on the automation or set a reminder. Tap your transfer and add $25 if the last 2 weeks felt calm. Do a leak sweep. Find a $10 leak, redirect it to fast emergency. 5 minutes, calmer month, 1-page tracker. Write 3 lines on paper. $500, $1,000 1 month. Add today's numbers and draw 10 tiny boxes under each target. Every payday, color 1 box. When a row fills, celebrate cheap and clean a walk. A call with a friend, a single-serve coffee. Rewards keep systems alive. When life hits, small bill gives cushion. Bigger bill gives tier 2, then immediately schedule refills over the next few paychecks. Job loss? Drop 2 essentials and draw tier 2 methodically. If you need more, build tier 3 later. Your calm comes from the rule, not the mood. Mini raise ladder? Every 60 days, increase your transfer by $25 if the last 2 weeks felt calm. If they didn't, skip once. The system gets heavier slowly, like adding plates to a barbell. You're training identity, not chasing adrenaline. Case Snapshot, Jordan. Started with $40 per paycheck. Cushion floor $400, took 3 weeks. Then $30 per paycheck went to tier 2. A flat tire hit $180. Tier 2 dropped. We refilled over 2 paychecks and kept the calm by alive. 60 days later, Jordan raised by 5. A year in, tier 2, full, tier 3 half built, and money panic nights were gone. Nothing dramatic in markets' behavior changed. When not if markets get loud, the buffer protects your rule. You don't sell to feel safe. You feel safe because you planned to feel safe. Second snapshot, Maya. Seasonal income, big swings. She ran lean 5% in winter, feast 15% in summer. Summer deposits shoved tier 2 to 1 month fast. Winter switched back to lean while keeping the calm buy at a tiny level. 12 months later, no January panic, and the investing chain never broke. Same rule, different months. FAQ quick hits. Isn't cash dead money? No. Cash buys time. Time prevents fees, interest, and panic sales. The return on avoiding bad debt often beats chasing a tiny yield. Should I pause investing? Keep a minimal calm by so your identity doesn't sleep. If a month is tight, shrink the amount, don't delete the habit. What about windfalls? Use a simple split. 50% bills buffer, 30% save and invest. 20% joy, you strengthen the system and still feel human. Quick start right now. Set your $500 floor in checking. Open or label fast emergency for tier 2. Schedule a post-payday transfer even. $10 counts. Create a 60-day mini-raise reminder. Put the 1-page tracker where you pay bills and color 1 box after each payday. Your line to post in the comments. So we move together. Cushion $500, transfer $25 after payday mini-raise in 60 days. Next Saturday, run the check. Next Monday, live lighter. Repeat weekly. The buffer grows, the noise shrinks, the habit sticks. Bills first, buffer grows, investing stays alive. Open the app, fund bills, send the transfer, color 1 box. Close the app. Enjoy your weekend. Calm wealth is built on routine, not adrenaline, not guesswork. That's the whole system. Repeat until boring, and then keep going. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Educational content only, not financial, tax, or legal advice.